What's up, YouTube? Alright, so destination today is Seattle. Alright, and we would love to have you all come along. Alright, let's hit the road. Alright guys, so we have arrived in Seattle, and right now we're at the excuse me, the Cambodian kind of Cambodian community here in Seattle. So we're gonna have lunch here, and there's the restaurant called Apsara, and then after that we'll can do some shoppings and all that stuff. Alright, let me show you the store here. So we came here many years ago. It was like a daily, Queen Daily, and I think so now they have I think a new owner. It's called Apsara here. You can kind of see, right? So new Apsara Palace, Asian cuisine. It's a Cambodian restaurant here. It's all the food, all the stuff. Alright. And then to next door here, also Cambodian grocery store. Okay, so there's one here, and then and we're gonna go to, there's a bigger store, so right behind that building right there. Alright, so we're gonna go there next. Okay. Alright. See what they got. Okay. It's the restaurant here. Let's see up there. Good. Different food there. Okay. Alright guys, so here's the new Apsara. Okay, so it's another new owner here. Excuse me. And they have different I really like their menu. And so this here is the Phnom Penh noodles, pretty popular. That's what I'm ordering here. All right, so also they have different kind of drinks here too. All right, yeah, I kind of see here. And then my daughter just ordered that. Alright, so just got my Phnom Penh noodles here. Looks really good. And then I don't know what this called in English anyway. So usually you eat that, you kind of dip it in the soup, you eat with that. Alright. Alright guys, so I got my soup here. Let me taste the soup a little bit. That's really good. Alright, let us finish our lunch, and we'll see you guys at the next stop. Alright guys, so here's the dish that my daughter ordered. Alright. Bon appetit. Alright guys, so we finished a lunch, and I think we're gonna head toward we want to get some of this Cambodian bakery stuff. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do next. Alright, and the food was so good, and I tell you, the noodle was so good. I'll try to put the links below, just in case you guys head out this way, and you can stop by and try their food. All right. All right, guys. So we arrived at the grocery store, one of the Cambodian grocery store. It's pretty big. Now let me show you guys here. Many years ago when I came, this whole thing here, that whole building there, is all Cambodian grocery stores, and not anymore. So all of those kind of shut down, and I've shown you guys the one that we just ate. So this here is also, I think it's a new owner also too. All right, so we're gonna go in there and see if they have that Asian bakery still. Show you guys here. Oh, okay. This is what it's a pretty good size store here, and this is what I'm talking about. All this Cambodian bakery here. Alright, so that's what we're gonna get, and I think it's really good with the shrimp too, but this in particular. Give you guys a view of the store here a little bit. Alright. So it's pretty big store. I think one of the biggest around here. Alright guys, let us get things here, and we'll see you guys at the next stop. So I'm getting 3 boxes, also for the family back home. There's some sesames, and then I think this is the bean something. I can't remember. Alright, we're heading down to downtown Seattle. So you guys see all those high-rise buildings there. I think we're gonna go to one of these waterfall park. I think that's what it's called.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow.